Today we're making something rich, hearty, and truly comforting. Balbacua, made with cow leg, beef mask, and beef tendon. A slow-cooked masterpiece bursting with deep, savory flavor. Let's begin. Here are the stars of today's dish. Chopped cow leg, beef mask and beef tendon, vibrant annatto oil, aromatics, black beans, and that touch of calamansi to brighten all the flavors. First, boil the chopped cow leg, beef mask, and beef tendon in plain water. Remove the scum that rises to the top. After a few minutes, wash the meats thoroughly to remove all impurities. Boil again. This time with sliced ginger, sibut, whole peppercorns, onion and salt. Pressure cook for around 45 minutes or until the meat becomes tender, soft, and beautifully gelatinous. Set the meat aside and strain the broth to remove the aromatics we used earlier. In a pan, heat cooking oil and add annatto seeds. Once the color is released, remove the seeds, leaving us with vibrant, aromatic annatto oil. Sauté ginger, onion, and garlic until the onions turn translucent and aromatic. Add the cow leg, beef mask, and beef tendon. Coating each piece with the flavorful oil. Next, add red bell pepper, black beans, and tomato paste. This combination gives Balbacua its thick, savory, deeply layered taste. Pour in some of the broth and liver spread. Let everything simmer. Allow the flavors to blend slowly, beautifully until the sauce becomes rich and velvety. Put green and red chili, celery, and lemongrass. Season with fish sauce. And for that perfect finishing touch, add calamansi juice to brighten the richness of the sauce. Serve in a bowl and top with fresh onion leeks. And of course, this is best enjoyed with hot steamed rice. Rich, comforting, and packed with flavor. Your homemade Balbacua is ready. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home-cooked favorites.